Practice 5.2. Use the distributive property in which the explanation speed is moderate. Please pause the video and try to solve these equations, and then come on back. Well, here I'm back. The number 7 will be multiplied through using the distributive property once with negative 2x and once with positive 3. Then I will go 5 times times positive 4x and 5 times negative 2. Well, let's just take that through step by step. 7 times negative 2x is negative 14x. And 7 times positive 3 is equal to positive 21. So on the left, we get negative 14x plus 21. On the right, we're going to go 5 times 4x is 20x, and 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. This equation, though complex, is much less complex than it was at the start. I will carry on by subtracting 21 from both sides, thus making a 0 right here. I will also subtract 20x from both sides, making a 0 there as well. And when I work this out, it will be a much simpler looking equation. Here I go. Negative 14 and negative 20x is negative 34x. And that is equal to negative 31. Well, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 34. Now, 31 is a prime number. So, in fact, this is just about done. There will be no reducing to be done, but I notice both are negative, and a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So the answer here is the ungainly looking, but correct, 31 over 34. Well, let's go over and see how the next one works out. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. And negative 3 times positive 7 is negative 21. A positive 2 times 5x is 10x. And positive 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Well, this is a much simpler equation without brackets. I will add 21 to both sides. And after that, or really at the same time, I will subtract 10x from both sides. And so what I get is negative 6x and negative 10x is negative 16x plus 0 is equal to 0, and negative 2 and 21 is 19. Well, in order to find out the answer, I will make a coefficient of 1 by dividing through by negative 16, and that gives me x is equal to another ungainly number. 19 is a prime number. There will be no division or reduction here of this fraction. It's negative 19 over 16. Well, that's it. Thanks very much, and please carry on practicing.